Hi everyone. Today we're making this beautiful island painting in a form of a Polaroid. It's super easy and extremely beginner friendly, so you can create it with a few simple steps. First, I have taken a rectangular piece of paper and applied the masking tape to get a square painting inside it. And now I'll apply clean water on approximately half of this square. Then I'll make the sky with a dilute mixture of cerulean blue and leave some space unpainted to suggest clouds. And I'm trying to make them larger at the top and smaller at the bottom. And towards the top, I'll add more cerulean blue to add more depth to our sky. Soften any harsh edges of the clouds. Then let everything dry completely. Now, mix Viridian green with ultramarine blue for the sea, and I'm using a flat brush for a straight horizon line, but feel free to use whichever brush you prefer. Then we'll use the dry brush technique to paint the rest of the sea. And for that, remove excess paint from your brush by tapping it on a clean tissue paper so that when you paint, it leaves some of the white space, and that will represent sparkling water. And while it's still wet, I'll add a little cerulean blue towards the bottom. Then let this dry completely. Now make a side view of an island with dilute sap green. And then add some darker sections towards the left with a slightly concentrated hooker's green. And finally soften these edges. Now to make some rocks in the sea, you can use any dark color of your choice. Here I used a concentrated mixture of burnt umber and ultramarine blue, but I was not very happy with it because it felt too flat, so I ended up lifting some of the paint from each rock. Now let everything dry and enhance the darker areas on this island with sap green and hooker's green. And then make reflection under these rocks with cerulean blue. And add an aeroplane with a white pen. After everything was completely dry, I removed the masking tape and added a black outline around the painting. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like this flower pot tutorial, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.